Baking soda.
What?
Just use a baking soda.
Baking soda?
What if the one thing you've been missing in your health routine is already sitting in your kitchen cabinet? It's not exotic, it's not expensive, and that's exactly the problem. Baking soda. Yes, baking soda. That cheap, chalky powder most people forget about. But when mixed with water and taken at night, something changes. Quietly, powerfully, almost too perfectly. And maybe that's why no one talks about it, until now. Let's break down what happens when you drink baking soda water every night for just 2 weeks. And trust me, by the end, you might never look at this kitchen staple the same again. Number 1, the silent fix for reflux. It usually starts around 11:43 p.m. You're lying in bed, finally relaxed, when that unmistakable burn starts crawling up your throat. You shift, you swallow, you prop yourself up with pillows, but nothing really works, does it? For the millions of people haunted by acid reflux, nighttime becomes a war zone between your stomach and your sleep. But here's where things get interesting, because the answer to that burning pain might not be in a pill bottle. It might be in your kitchen cabinet, disguised as something so simple, so ordinary, that most people overlook it completely. Baking soda. Now before you roll your eyes, this isn't some fringe theory from an online forum. In fact, a 2022 clinical study published in BMJ Open Gastroenterology revealed that bicarbonate-rich water significantly reduced heartburn symptoms compared to a placebo. The science is straightforward. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline. When it hits the acidic environment of your stomach, it neutralizes the acid in seconds. Relief isn't just fast, it's chemical. But here's the question nobody seems to ask. If this works so well, why isn't it mainstream? Why isn't every reflux patient handed a teaspoon of baking soda instead of a lifelong prescription? The answer is as uncomfortable as the reflux itself. There's no money in it, no patents, no profits, just results. But that's only the beginning, because things are about to get even weirder. Number 2, the athlete's secret weapon. You wake up sore, not the good kind of sore, the kind that makes sitting down feel like a negotiation between your thighs and the laws of physics. Maybe it was leg day, maybe it was just life. Either way, your muscles are stiff, heavy, and screaming. But what if I told you there's a science-backed way to speed up recovery, and it's not some overpriced protein powder or sketchy supplement from Instagram? It's baking soda. Yes, the same stuff you use to deodorize your fridge might just be the recovery tool elite athletes aren't talking about, because it's too cheap to sell. Here's what's happening under the hood. When you work out, your muscles accumulate hydrogen ions, making your blood more acidic. That's one of the key reasons you feel sore and sluggish afterward. Sodium bicarbonate acts like a chemical sponge. It soaks up that acid, helping restore your internal balance. According to a 2019 study in Frontiers in Nutrition, sodium bicarbonate supplementation not only reduced post-exercise soreness, but also improved performance in subsequent workouts. That's not a theory, that's data. But here's what nobody tells you. If baking soda had a fancy label and a $59.99 price tag, it would be all over your favorite fitness podcast by now. Instead, it sits on a dusty shelf, forgotten. But not for long, because what it does next might surprise you even more. Number 3, a lifeline for failing kidneys. There's a quiet kind of fear that comes with hearing the words kidney disease. It's not loud, it doesn't scream. It creeps in slowly through lab results, silent symptoms, and late-night Google searches. For millions, kidney function doesn't collapse overnight. It fades piece by piece. But here's the twist. Something as basic as baking soda might be doing what expensive treatments can't, slowing the decline and giving people something they haven't had in a long time. Time. This isn't folklore. This is real science. A meta-analysis published in 2021 in Frontiers in pharmacology, studied the effects of oral sodium bicarbonate on patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD. The results? Remarkable. Participants who took baking soda saw their serum bicarbonate levels rise, their kidney function stabilize, and even their cardiovascular health improve. It wasn't a miracle, it was chemistry. Sodium bicarbonate helped correct a dangerous condition called metabolic acidosis, a silent killer in CKD that accelerates organ damage. But ask yourself this: if this solution is so accessible, so effective, why isn't it standard protocol? Why don't doctors rush to recommend it? The answer, again, isn't medical. It's financial. There's no patent for baking soda, no billion-dollar incentive to promote it. And yet, it works, quietly, reliably. And while the world sleeps, your kidneys might just be fighting a little harder, with help from the most unlikely ally in your pantry. But the story doesn't end there. Number 4, the quiet gout killer. It feels like someone dropped an anvil on your big toe, then lit it on fire. That's gout. It doesn't knock. It kicks the door open and makes itself comfortable. For those who've had it, you know, the pain doesn't just keep you up at night, it humbles you. And while the standard treatment usually involves a cocktail of medications, there's one strange remedy that keeps resurfacing in whispered conversations and overlooked studies. Baking soda. Yes, baking soda. A kitchen staple that might just be a biochemical assassin for uric acid. In a 2024 study published in the British Journal of Hospital Medicine, researchers looked into a combination of sodium bicarbonate and a uric acid excreting medication called benzbromarone. The results were quietly explosive. Patients saw a significant drop in uric acid levels, fewer crystal deposits in joints, and improved kidney function. Even more surprising, the combination was well tolerated with no major side effects. That's rare in the world of gout meds. But here's the part that raises eyebrows. Baking soda alkalizes the urine, making it easier for the body to flush out uric acid before it crystallizes and lodges itself into your joints like glass. It's simple, it's effective, and it's being ignored. Why? Because a spoonful of sodium bicarbonate won't make anyone rich, but it just might make you feel human again. And the more you dig into what this powder can do, the more it starts to feel like it was never just for baking. Number 5, your body's pH buffer. Your body is constantly at war, and you probably don't even realize it. Every bite of processed food, every sugary drink, every late-night stress binge throws your internal pH out of balance. And while your body does its best to fight back, buffering acid with minerals pulled from your bones and tissues, the truth is, it's slowly losing. This internal acid overload isn't loud. It doesn't announce itself. But over time, it wears you down. Fatigue, inflammation, a creeping sense that something's just off. And once again, baking soda might be the secret weapon no one's talking about. In 2024, researchers published a study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry examining the effects of bicarbonate-rich mineral water on acid-base balance. What they found was shocking. Just 1.5 to 2 liters of this water daily significantly increased urinary pH and reduced acid excretion, proof that your body can shift toward a more alkaline state with just a simple adjustment. But here's the kicker. The same alkalizing effect can be achieved even faster with controlled baking soda intake. Your body was designed to survive. But in today's world of fast food and faster stress, survival needs help. That teaspoon of baking soda at night, it doesn't just ease indigestion, it helps tip the scale in a battle you didn't know you were fighting. And now that you do, what will you do next? Because the next benefit takes things to a whole new system. Number 6, a natural UTI remedy. It starts with a sting, then a burn, then the creeping realization that you're going to be up all night again. Urinary tract infections don't just hurt, they disrupt everything: sleep, peace, and dignity. They're stealthy, relentless, and for some people, painfully familiar. But what if one of the simplest, most accessible ways to manage UTI symptoms has been hiding in plain sight? Yep, baking soda. Again. Now, this isn't some folk remedy passed down from your aunt. This has clinical weight behind it. A study published in the International Urogynecology Journal followed women with acidic urine and recurring lower urinary tract symptoms. The researchers introduced sodium bicarbonate orally, just a controlled dose each night. 4 weeks later, something incredible happened. Their urinary pH jumped from an average of 5.3 to 7.2. That shift didn't just change a number on a chart. It correlated with a real reduction in symptoms, less urgency, less discomfort, fewer sleepless nights. Here's the science. Bacteria that cause UTIs thrive in acidic environments. By increasing urinary alkalinity, baking soda creates a battlefield where those invaders struggle to survive. But here's the warning label no one can skip. Misusing baking soda can be dangerous. Overdoing it can mess with your electrolyte balance, cause bloating, or lead to alkalosis. This isn't candy, it's chemistry. Still, for those who walk that fine line carefully, this one tweak in their nightly routine could turn pain into peace. But what if it goes beyond infections? What if it's touching something even darker, even deadlier? Let's talk cancer. Number 7. A glimmer of hope against cancer. Let's be clear, the word cancer changes everything. It silences rooms, breaks hearts, and rewrites lives. And when conventional treatments fail, or fail fast, people search. Desperately, quietly, and sometimes in the most unexpected places. That's where baking soda enters the conversation, not as a miracle cure, but as a whisper. A chemical that's drawing attention from researchers for reasons that might sound almost too strange to believe. In 2024, Frontiers in Oncology published a study that stopped some scientists in their tracks. It wasn't about destroying cancer cells directly. It was about the battlefield they fight on. Cancer cells thrive in acidic environments. They manipulate the pH around them to grow, invade, and resist treatment. But what happens if you change that environment? What if you raise the pH? Researchers found that administering sodium bicarbonate to mice with malignant ascites, a condition often caused by advanced cancer, not only neutralized that acidity, but actually extended survival rates. It didn't stop there. A documented case in the same study showed a patient with chemotherapy-resistant ovarian cancer experience a noticeable drop in tumor markers and a reduction in fluid buildup after bicarbonate therapy. It wasn't a miracle, it was a chemical shift, but that shift mattered. Still, no one's putting this in glossy brochures or flashy commercials, because it's not shiny, it's not branded, it's just sodium bicarbonate. And if something that basic can even slowly change how cancer behaves, why isn't the whole world talking about it? Because the next benefit, it doesn't just change your body, it rewires your immune system. Number 8, rheumatoid arthritis relief. And the bigger picture. Pain has a way of making everything louder, your thoughts, your fatigue, even your doubts. And for those battling rheumatoid arthritis, the noise never really stops. Your immune system isn't just confused, it's actively turning against you. But in the middle of that chaos, something as simple as baking soda might be helping the body remember how to heal. Not by force, not by suppression, but by quiet redirection. In 2024, researchers published a study in the Journal of Immunology that revealed something most wouldn't believe if it weren't backed by science. Baking soda, when taken regularly, caused the immune system to shift. The body's inflammatory cells, known as M1 macrophages, began to transform into M2 cells, the kind that calm inflammation and promote healing. It was like watching your immune system take a deep breath. For people like Maria, featured in that very research, it meant fewer sleepless nights, less pain, and more freedom. just half a teaspoon stirred into water before bed. That's all it took to start changing the narrative. And maybe that's the real story here. Baking soda isn't just a powder, it's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful solutions aren't found in prescriptions or procedures, but in overlooked simplicity, in what we've dismissed, in what we've forgotten. Because if a $1 box in your pantry can quietly support your gut, your muscles, your kidneys, your joints, and maybe even your future, then maybe the real question isn't what does it do? It's why didn't anyone tell us sooner? And now that you know, what will you do with it?